Welcome everyone. I decided to test out my new camera setup and do a quick unboxing. That way I can maybe do a little prep work for this and project and sort of get everything lined up so it'd be a little more time, a little better scheduled, I guess is the word I'm looking for. Maybe figure out a good division of it. I want to stick with the one project per week thing, so we're gonna go do that and go try and keep that up. So, like I said, it's a counterweight trebuchet with 6 wheels from ToysTub, and foam packaging. It's a big piece of sandpaper for this one. What is it? Does it have the grid on it? Doesn't even have the grid on it. Okay, set that over there. Okay, now there's stuff in there. And they went all out with the foam. But it is pretty good foam, and it's something. To do something that requires a little vibration insulation. That is some good stuff. So I'm gonna hang on to that. I'm constantly doing stuff with my car where I could use some anti-rattle stuff, and that's good for that's the kind of stuff that feels good for that. Okay, got our instruction manual, which seems fairly light. There's only 2 pages there, so 6 pages total it looks like, and that says, yeah, that is complete on that end. Something I did notice while I was over the weekend, it's got, okay, well, such as the new technology, new equipment. I kept going after it shut off without telling me it shut off. In the box there was some, I think they're all stones. I don't think they're just coating. It doesn't feel heavy enough to be ball bearings in there. But it's I guess that's the counterweight. Got some dowels and string, some more ball bearing BBs and hoops and stuff in here. Let's take a look at the pieces and go from there. Where'd I put my knife? There it is. Okay. I can tell I'm going to have to do some more setup on, this seems a little tight for what I do, but it might actually be good. It's going to take some, it'll take a couple of videos to get it down to where it looks like I want it to look, I'm sure. A little more setup. Alright. This does feel like heavier wood than, it's not that really lightweight balsa that I've been building the other stuff with. What we got here? We got some more plastic on there. Okay, so okay, got certificate. Suitable for ages 8 and up. So I should be able to knock this out in like 10 minutes, right? Oh, okay. Let's see what we got piece-wise. Got pretty big planks. Actually, okay, they got some T's on here, so that's what, like, all the dead space is on it. Lots of little holes in these. That's concerning. I hope I don't have to run that string through all those little holes, because they're over here too. So that's the wheels. Yeah. There are more small holes on these. Like I said, it's lots of little pieces through there. They both, and more of the frame. Yeah, it doesn't look too often. Like I say, those little holes are bothering me because of the string over here. I'm scared I might have to be doing some filing. It looks like there might just be a decoration thing where it's wrapped on there. Fingers crossed. Let's see here. Whoa. Broke off, looks like. And last piece. Alright. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going to put this video up, but I'm going to see how it comes together on the computer. Like I say, I'm trying to figure out how to set up this new camera, and hopefully I'll get this up either Saturday or Sunday, and then we'll start the build on Monday. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, and I'll see you next time. Bye.